Are you from village and don't you have an English speaking partner? If yes, then watch this video till it ends because I will tell you, by living in village, by living alone at your home, you can learn English. Okay, you can learn English at your home by talking to objects, like talking to objects without any teacher, without any kind of application, just you and your mind and the objects. That's all. So watch this video till it ends. So let's start our video without squandering our single minute of time, or let's dive into our video. So the first thing, how can you talk to objects? So for example, this is a cup. Now we will talk to this. This is a kind of object. So firstly, hey, how are you? So like I'm questioning to the cup. Hey cup, how are you? Now this will answer to me. I am a cup and I hold tea or water. So this is answering to me. I know that it cannot speak, but I can answer according to it. So I can easily answer. Firstly, I will ask question to this, then I will also answer. So this is how I can like talk to this. Hey, what you do? I hold tea, I hold water, like I hold juice, like whatever you can say, you can talk about it. Okay, for example, hey, what is your name? So I am a leaf. This is a leaf, okay, like patta. और बहुत सारे पत्ते हैं. So what we will say? These are leaves. और ये कहेंगे we are leaves. Okay. Now for example, you have a chair in your room. Okay, so you can talk to chair. For example, hey, what are you? So that will say I am a chair. And what you do? मतलब chair क्या करती है? So that will answer, like we will answer. We will say people sit on me. लोग मेरे ऊपर बैठते हैं या मुझे बैठने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. Okay, so this is how you can talk to objects and you can get to know like what they do and what's the name of that object and why do we use those objects, by questioning and by answering. I know that objects cannot speak, so you can easily speak the answer, like you can easily answer according to their work. And this is how you can talk to objects. If you do not have any teacher, if you do not have any partner to speak in English, if you do not have a good environment to learn English, even if you do not have ChatGPT in your phone, so this is a very simple and easy method for improving your English. What you have to do, you just have to talk to objects and don't think about the thing like if you are like people thinking that you got lost your mind or you have lost your mind. It's okay if they are thinking like this. It's okay, you are practicing, that's enough. You are trying to put your efforts, that's enough. You are a dedicated learner, that's enough. If they are laughing on you, if they are laughing at you, that's okay. It's their mistake. It doesn't matter that they are laughing. You are trying to improve your English, you are trying to brush up your communication skills. That's all. And this is gonna help you a lot. Okay, and that's all for today. Try to practice in this way, and I hope you will like it will be a fun for all of you. Even it's a fun for me. So that's why I told you about this. Like you can also practice like this. You can talk to objects. Like whatever object you have, try to talk with that. Okay, try to talk with that. For example,